All right, good morning. What is going on? We had the CPI data come in this morning. Came in a little bit higher than expectations. Inflation's still running pretty hot. As you can see, that came out at 6:30. You can see the response that the market had. Broke through this level here around 437. Got a retest. We're coming down. We'll see if we set a lower low than that pre-market low we have right there. Overall, expect a bit of a pullback today, especially after all the bullish momentum that we've been having. Try not to get too biased, but I would not be surprised to see a little bit of a pullback, especially with CPI coming in higher than expected. It'd be odd for that market to rally on that news, but it would not surprise me because the market's been rallying on any type of news lately. So got some levels charted out. I'm trying to pull up some CPI data to share it in the Discord, and then I'll get into the charts here. Let me see. Is there anything? Why is there not just like a straightforward, what's going on there? I also might be trying to trade with a cat in my lap. My cat will not leave me alone this morning, so if you hear some odd noises, it's probably him. Oh, this little guy right here. He seems to be happy though, so I'm not going to move him. Wait, how about everyone? Alright. What's good? Oh shit, I just realized I don't have my headset on, so I can't hear you. Hold up. Oh no. That is dead this morning. Market just opened. A little unprepared this morning, trying to get things ready, trying to fix my headset. So we'll see. We'll see. If anything happens off the open, I probably won't catch it. But essentially what we're looking for is these key levels. Keep this higher time frame up here just to keep an idea of where we are in the grander scheme of things. And we will look for price to react around these significant areas and respond accordingly. If we get if we get up above this 437.2, I can see a bullish move up towards like that pre-market high, up towards 438 at least, if we reclaim this level. Other than that, we might see some support around 436. If we break below 436, I'm for sure targeting somewhere down around like 435. Overall, just looking for price to move between the levels. Nothing too complicated that we're doing. Looks like we're kind of selling off. We had, like I said, we had CPI come in a little higher than expected. Typically, that's not a bullish thing for the market. Typically, that's going to be a little bearish because higher inflation, persistent inflation, makes the case for at least holding rates for longer or increasing interest rates. Obviously, increasing interest rates is not very bullish, as it makes borrowing money a lot more expensive. It puts a little bit of a stress on the economy as a whole. So a sell-off on higher than expected CPI isn't unexpected. We'll see here. Everybody expects bearish, so we might get the opposite. Not that I trade fibs, but just out of curiosity, we do have that 50% retracement right around 436 down in here. And then we have that 61.8 at their 435.25. So a bounce somewhere in this area could be very valid between 436 and 435 if we maintain this kind of upward trend that we've been in. Yeah, kind of this like descending wedge. I don't really know if that's the proper term for it, but from the pre-market till current, we have that downward trend line. We have this little support. So breaking out of that range could be a cause for a bigger move. Let's see if my headphones are charged. I kind of doubt it. I don't know how fast the charge is on them. It's only been a few minutes. We'll give it a shot. Alright, what's up guys? Sorry I'm back. I don't know how much battery I have in the headsets, but
no worries.
How you guys doing today?
Good.
Pretty good.
Yep.
You?
Oh, not too bad.
Ooh. What are you watching?
I'm just watching Spy. I don't know if that's a mistake or not.
No, I'm watching Spy too, but what levels are you looking at?
We have like a, I don't know where we're at. I have like a 437.2 that was the high from 2 days ago. I have like a 436 level around 435. One around like 438.5, kind of around the pre-market high. And then one down around like 434.15. But what I'm watching is we kind of have like this little, I don't know the proper name for it, like a descending wedge, descending triangle or something on like the 5 minute or 15 or 2 minute or kind of smaller time frames from the pre-market till.
Yeah, I can see that.
So I'm seeing if we break out of that, which might give us a bit more of a move, but yeah, nothing too crazy right now. I think since we already kind of had a sell-off in the morning and everybody's expecting things to probably sell off with CPI coming in hot, I wouldn't be surprised to see the exact opposite happen.
Right.
But
yeah, it's always like that.
It's like if you feel certain that we're gonna go up or down, it's probably the opposite that's gonna happen.
You're not wrong.
But I don't know, man.
Yeah, that fourth.
Sorry.
Do it.
Go on.
That 436 level that you were talking about, that's the bottom of that gap, and then that 430, like the pre-market high pretty much,
Yeah.
is the top of that gap. So I wouldn't be surprised if we bounced off of the bottom to actually fill it today, because it doesn't really count if you fill it in after hours. Do you know what gap I'm talking about?
Are you looking at like just the gap from yesterday's close to today's open, or?
No, it was from 920 to 921.
Okay, let me
Yeah.
take a look.
Daily, you can see that.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, that gap, yeah, that 438.4. Yeah, good call. I had that level marked and I just forgot. I was a
Yeah,
little
no, you
slow to get
gained
into the.
bottom and the top of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had it marked. I just forgot what that was.
Mm-hmm.
All right,
For this to fill all week.
for sure.
But it doesn't really count if it fills it after hours, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, everything is going down now. Even Tesla.
Here we go.
What are you watching, Fooey? You got something similar looks?
Yeah, pretty much same. I'm gonna see if we can get a bounce off that 436, and then if we can't, if we break below that, I'll take puts.
Word. Yeah, I'm still trying to like. I think I need to take some time. I'm still trying to figure out like my exact strategy for like entries and everything using the 2 minute. Because I want to start using the 2 minute a bit more. We broke out of that little triangle or wedge or whatever now.
Yes, we did.
Oh, look at Tesla.
What's Tesla doing? Oh shit! Yeah, Tesla's shit in the bed. See if we can hold this level right here.
What up?
What's up, JT?
What up?
Good.
Hello.
Pretty strong reaction at that level. We'll see though.
Yeah. What's your next level below 436?
I have one around 435,
Okay.
but the next like big level will be 434.15 that I have. I tried out some levels last night before I went to bed, and then I woke up in like a rush, and I'm like forgetting where they came from sometimes.
Yeah, 'cause I don't know. I haven't where I was charting this morning, but I couldn't really find anything between like 436 and like 433 that was worth marking. So I don't know. 5 minute close below 436.
Yeah,
Come back up, retesting that.
on the 2 minute, it's still above though. It's still like holding that level, so I might wait for confirmation on the 2 minute as well to think about puts. Because we got like two hammer candles on the 2 minute right at that level.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yesterday was so messy between 435 and 436, so I'm not interested in that.
Yeah, that's true.
Fair enough.
I'm looking if Tesla can retest that 262 level.
We close below. If we come up and retest on the 2 minute, I'm looking at a put.
Same here.
All right, I might get in here.
Yeah, let's see if Tesla can reject that.
Here we go.
Yeah, everything is going down now.
Yeah, I was kind of expecting a little bit more volatility, especially on like a CPI
Yeah, me
day,
too.
and we like broke out that little wedge. I was like, all right, we'll have some momentum, and then it just slowed right down. That's like I got caught in yesterday. We were like breaking these key levels. We like broke below one and retested it. And I was like, all right, I'll enter, and then we just went sideways for like half an hour.
Yeah.
But it's looking fine so far. 5 minute, 2 minute, we're all looking good.
Yeah, guys, just be careful of 371 on QQQ. It's triple top from days before,
Oof.
and also
Okay.
pre-market low of this day. So be careful about that 371.
Roger that. Yeah, I'll have that pulled up.
If it breaks below it, I think there is some nice like a downside action, but we'll see. So good luck.
Thank you, sir.
W loves the chop, boys.
Getting a little retest here. little spooky season. Scare us real quick. Or it gives us a nice flush to the downside. It's just giving you an entry, JT, that's all. I don't know if you're actually entering.
Where are you going? What the-
For real. It's retesting the bottom of that like little descending triangle here. If it breaks above, I'll probably get out.
Yeah. Bro.
I'm not rejected.
15? Yeah.
But we got quite a bit of volume on this candle right now.
Man, it's been a minute, dude. How you doing, bro?
What's going on, Josh? I'm in a trade, you know, it's kind of dicey right now. But we're doing well. How are you
You
doing?
put it in this morning?
No, I got in a few minutes ago. We broke and retested a level. Oh, here we go. Stay down. We're doing all right. How you doing, buddy?
Good. Good. Just keeping an eye on things.
I see you hitting those orbs.
Yeah, dude, that's been like my bread and butter lately. Like that might be my thing. I did actually. I remember like we were joking about it it was like 2 weeks ago. I said that I started learning the orbs from this girl on YouTube who does day trading, and someone said like all you had to do is
What?
I forgot for a minute. I'm like, he's live streaming right now, dude. I'm not gonna say it.
Oh, okay, I got you. All right.
Inappropriate.
Yeah.
100%, dude. Bro, Ryan, forgive me for the last week. I've been used to just saying things in the chat without no ramifications.
Some wild shit, boy.
Yeah, dude, we're low key wilding over here.
That's all right. Actually, in fact, that 5-minute candle that we're on right now tested the bottom of that opening range, so that could be an orb play right there.
That was a very healthy pullback. I like that.
Yeah. that was
No,
cool.
but ORB has been a move though.
I like that.
And I've been also incorporating the ORBs on the 15, and then I break it down to the 5-minute after that.
Mm-hmm.
To look for possible breakouts. But what I do is I wait for the second candle. So typically around like this process that I've been doing, like the earliest for me to trade would be like 9:55 to 10 o'clock. And what I do is I wait for that second candle to. I'm sorry, first 15 minutes sets the range.
Mm-hmm.
And then after that, I just wait for, for it to move out of the zone, either up or down. If in the second whole candle that opens and closes outside of that zone, that's tells me to determine if I'm going to put in for a
Woo!
call.
Sorry. We just got a little break. We got a break. Let's go, baby. It's flagging a little bit on the 2-minute. What's up?
Ryan, where's your take profit?
I want to see 435. We're headed towards it.
I should have entered them.
Yeah, so this might tell me to put in a put right here. You guys got puts in?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I might take one off now just because I'm in decent profit, and then I'll hold the other for 435.
Whenever you do that, do you move your stop loss like slightly into take profit, or?
Yeah, I mean, you can move it to break even or slightly in profit wherever you want. Like right now, I'm not too worried about it because we're like safely in profit. So I'm just kind of watching, but yeah, it is a little trickier with the 0 DTs because the price fluctuates so much that like if you move your stop loss to break even, like we can have a little bounce and that will cut you out, So it is kind of tricky, but that's typically what I would do. Yeah, like take profit and then make sure that you're risk free or whatever with your other contracts. But this volume on this candle, let's go. Oh my goodness.
I'm seeing
You're looking.
433.20 as a support.
I think Fooly had something around there, right?
What'd you say, Josh?
433.20 ish.
Yeah, that was like yesterday's low, huh?
Yeah, but that was yesterday's low. And if you look at where it bounced off of, so it bounced off of the opening candle from Tuesday. So if you look at the 15-minute, the top range of where that candle,
Oh yeah.
and then on the same dollar, like it bounced off of that yesterday. So I'm curious if we'll see it come all the way down and bounce off of it again today.
God, wouldn't that be a fucking move?
Yeah, because I mean, I can't figure out where there might be any other like major support right now other than maybe 430, 470.
We have a pretty big move down if you look at the hourly, so I would be careful. I would expect us to get some sort of bounce.
Around where?
I don't know. I have a level at 435, but like I could see like 434. I don't know. Just look at the hourly and you can see that we're in an uptrend and we set two nasty like hourly bars down. We could just continue straight down, but I wouldn't be surprised to see a little relief bounce at some point.
Mm-hmm.
Got a ton of volume just come in on the 2-minute, but the price didn't go anywhere. That was weird. Price didn't move at all, but we had like a huge jump in volume. I don't know, price is slowing down. I might. Oh, we're getting so close. Alright, I took profit there on my last contract right as we spiked down.
Alright, I'm out.
Good.
That was a decent move. That was real nice.
Damn, that was beautiful. 64 on the day. Fuck yeah, baby.
Let's go! Let's go, baby!
That's beautiful.
Great. Are you calling it a day?
I actually have to leave in like 30 minutes, so probably.
Yeah, good. That's great.
Oh, that was good. Yesterday was a shit show for me.
Luckily, I sized up. I took 2 contracts on that, so that was actually prime time. I feel like usually when I size up, I take a L, but
I sized up today too, actually. I ended up buying 4 contracts that time.
damn, let's go.
God, hey.
All right, I'll be right back. I gotta blow my nose. I think I got a little excited.
Oh God.
Yeah, Ruiz, that QQQ level holding strong.
Let me look at it. Oh shit.
Do you go by Ruiz or do you want me to call you Ivan?
Oh, Ivan.
I Ivan is perfectly fine.
Okay.
Reus is just a random name.
Oh.
My bad. I've been calling you Roos this whole time. I'll call you Yvonne.
Although it's kind of funny.
I mean,
It's not even his name. We're just calling it.
I guess my Discord name doesn't really help.
Bankroll Buck.
Bankroll. Fire name.
Coming back down to retest 435.
Damn. Just blasting down here. Could have held a little longer, but you know, no regrets.
Yeah, no.
Yeah,
I
that's what
wouldn't
I've
be
learned,
surprised
man.
if he didn't go all the way down, man.
That's what I learned is
Right.
trade within conviction, dude. Like I could have held a little bit longer yesterday on that put, and I'm like, you know what? Trade within conviction, man.
Yeah,
You
I was
never
just.
have regrets after a win.
I mean, shit. I don't know about you, but that was like over a 30% return in a matter of minutes. So
Yeah,
can't complain about that.
35%.
Yeah, can't complain at all. I feel stupid if I'm like, that's not good enough.
Right?
I need to retire today. Ray said his Discord isn't working, but he said a bounce here is a valid high or low. And that's what I was kind of looking at on the hourly time frame. If you look at it, like I would be surprised if we just kept going straight down. You know, we might bounce and set a lower high, and you could look for another entry there. But
What does it tell you guys when there was a lot of volume? On the if I'm looking at the 5 minute, a lot of volume on the 955 candle, and it was slightly bullish.
yeah, I mean that's
Does that mean that there's a lot of sellers? There's more sellers than buyers right now.
I think, okay, I just watched a fucking video. I'm going to try to explain it, but I think it's aggressive buyers being absorbed by passive sellers.
damn. Hold up, what up?
Mm.
Fucking Mr. Market coming in here. What's up? Say that again.
That's about the extent I can explain it. But yeah, the high volume, it's aggressive buyers trying to get a pullback or a bounce, I guess. And then the passive sellers are absorbing it, so not really allowing it to go anywhere. And then we'll continue down with the trend, if that's the case.
For sure, Dan.
Yeah, I mean, you see here that we're bouncing off that level, so it's definitely like an indication that buyers are stepping in. Right at that 435, though. Look at that. We're forming like a little bit of a hammer on the hourly. I mean, obviously got plenty of time for that to print, but probably more like the 15-minute would be a better example.
Got a doji on the 5 minute. Good volume. I see a little reversal.
Yeah. I'll probably look for a lower high. Beautiful shit today, fellas.
Yeah, that was solid.
What's SPX doing? Yeah, SPX is still bearish.
Is Ray listening to the chat or YouTube stream?
Yeah, he's in the stream. He said his Discord just isn't working on his computer right now. Or on his laptop or something.
Ray, I want to thank you for your little words of encouragement yesterday. Helped.
I'll let you know if he responds to that.
I got it pulled up now. I'm gonna watch the stream.
Yeah, he said a bounce here and short again at 436 potentially as a lower high. I think we could see 436. It feels a little too close for me, maybe for a lower high. I don't know. We might see something a little above. I'm not sure if I'll take another entry, but if it presents itself. He said, "Love you, Fooly," in all caps.
Fucking love that guy.
Yeah, raise the shit. Honestly, the fellas that we have here, it's pretty sweet. It's cool.
Pretty
Like the crew we
We have
got.
a real, yeah, we got a really good dynamic going. I like it.
I just appreciate that there's nobody, like, there's no know-it-alls. There's nobody, no negativity.
No ego.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
it's just people trying to learn and help each other. It's beautiful.
Well, thanks to you, Ryan.
Oh, dude.
Real shit though, actually. Those of you riding in the chat, boys.
I'm just trying to escape the matrix. If I can do it with the boys, I'm down.
Yvonne, that had a nice little bounce right there off that level.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah. You might see some green day also.
Ryan, you said you had a level at 435?
Yeah. It bounced off it like to the T.
Yeah.
It was from here. I think it was from the 4 hour. I should probably be better at knowing where these levels come from. Or was it the daily? Yeah, that's what I'm saying, dude. It's bad. Sometimes I just forget. It was the daily. If you look, yeah, if you just chart out like 435 and then extend it to the left on the daily, it was an area that we bounced off of a few times in the past. It was also like
Yeah.
back around last summer we had like a tiny little gap up and we found support at 435 after the gap up.
Okay.
But most recently on August 25th, we had a huge like green hammer candle and its low of the day was at 435. If I see like some price action aligning with a whole number, I usually like that.
Yeah, damn, QQQ going crazy.
Oh, I've not been watching. I'll take a look.
To the up or down.
Oh my.
Uh-oh.
Yo, we are approaching a super high time frame trend line though that it might reject off of, like right at 333.5 or so. If you look at like the daily or the weekly, we have a huge resistance trend line on the top that we're approaching.
On what?
On
spot?
QQQ. If we break above that pre-market high, we're approaching it. I would really look at that for a rejection. Or if we break above it, it's gonna rip.
Dude, what the fuck? Look at that.
For real. You see what I'm talking about though? That trend line?
On like the hourly or what? I haven't looked.
You could look at hourly, you could look at daily, weekly. Like it's just like a really high time frame. Like if you just look at the highs and then chart it all the way through.
I gotcha.
Do you have any news coming out today?
All the news came out pre-market. It was all CPI shit. That could be a play on QQQ though. I'm almost considering taking that. That's a huge trend line that we're coming up on.
Goodness, dude. QQQ is going nuts right now.
That's crazy.
I'm gonna start watching QQQ for sure.
I think it's helpful to have it up.
We might be able to nail another banger here. I'm dead serious. We're approaching this on QQQ. We are coming like we're right where we're rejecting off of, or like the top of this 5-minute candle. That is like right at that trend line. I'm telling you, if we get some little consolidation up there, we're looking weak. I will take a put for sure. And we had such a fat run up, like a pullback is expected. You get that pullback at that key level. Come on.
Good.
We might be getting it right now, though. Hopefully we get a little consolidation before it happens.
Yvonne, what are you thinking?
Oh yeah, for now I'm just watching. I don't know what to think, honestly.
Do you see that trend line on QQQ, though? We're like right at it.
Yeah, I see it.
I just marked it. Currently, like directly above, where it's like
Yeah.
or not, like 374, 370.
I have it like 373.5.
Yeah, but for me 374.37 is a big low to watch.
SPY's back in that zone. Might look to see if we get that gap fill. Tesla doing?
Push down just a little bit.
Yeah, Tesla that 265 level having some problems to break it.
Well, it looks like we're getting that rejection on QQQ. I kind of missed the entry there, potentially.
Yeah, just a touch by. Rejection right there.
Yeah, SPY just kind of bounced off pre-market low. Few points. Ryan, have you started watching SPX yet or no?
I charted it the other day, but I wasn't watching it at the same time. So I should be better with that. But I did like chart it and look at the levels.
Yeah,
It is pretty crazy.
that helped me.
Oh, look at that QQQ rejection. Damn. I didn't get the entry, but it's going. Oh, man. That was the play right there.
Anything that they're put in right now?
I don't know. I'd be a little hesitant now. Look at this shit, though. Oh my god, it just dropped like $2. No. Oh my god, I missed it. That's a killer, dude. I just watched that contract go like 50% in like 2 minutes. Oh, I fucked up, boys. No, it's all good. We already hit a winner. Can't feel FOMO, but damn. I wouldn't get into a put now, Josh. Because we just kind of bounced off the previous high of day. So I'd assume we find some support in that area. But just that rejection off that trend line is beautiful, man. Holy. Yeah, I wouldn't get into puts now.
Okay.
I mean, if you see like a bear flag, like if we continue like a little break of structure, but I would wait to get a better confirmation because we already had that big push down. I said $2 move. It was about a $1 move. I'm tripping. It was a beautiful rejection though. Dang, that was a move and a half.
Holy shit.
On high volume too. That's nice. There's some plays today. All right, I'll go back to SPY. I wanted to take that, and I just kind of missed it.
Dude, when you guys say you had a level of 435,
Yeah.
Mine did.
bruh, rejecting off that level now.
Or 436?
At 435, we rejected off of it.
Yeah, we found that's like the bottom. We're finding some support right at 436 though on the 5 minute.
Remember, that's the bottom of that zone.
Yeah, you think we?
Yep.
Yeah, if we get above 437.2, I could see us filling that gap officially. Especially because we opened lower, so like that gap still exists on the daily chart. Dang, man. Trading, crazy. There's so many opportunities. You gotta reel those emotions in. Because for me, I just watched that trade happen, and I was talking about it, and it happened exactly. I was like, damn it.
Someone on Twitter showed that there was a pharmaceutical company that went up like 3,500% just yesterday.
Jeez.
Yeah.
I,
Like, could you imagine if you had a call on that?
Whenever I see those, I always think about like if you just took your entire net worth and put it in calls, just like 100x'd it overnight.
Yeah, dude.
It's like the riskiest, most degenerate thing you could do, but just set you up for life in one day.
like that whole GameStop fiasco.
Yeah, I was gonna say some Wall Street bet shit. I think there's a movie about that that's out
Yeah, I
now.
was gonna ask, y'all gonna watch that?
I heard it's good, but I haven't seen it.
Was it
I've seen
Dumb
the
Money?
preview.
Yeah, Dumb Money. I should probably watch it
Watch it.
just for the culture.
Be right back.
We're holding above 436, and on the 2 minute, we're forming a little bull flag. If we break out of that, we could see a move higher for sure.
Ryan, you
On
don't have
SPY.
the ultimate volume indicator on, do you?
Ultimate volume indicator? I don't believe so.
Oh my god, you need to get that on there.
What is that?
Here, I'm gonna send a picture of what my volume looks like on the 5 minute, and you're gonna be like, wow, I need that.
My volume is just blue blobs. Yeah, we got a little flag on the 5 minute, on the 2 minute. We're trying to break out. We get a little breakout and retest, I might consider that for a quick scalp. Oh, we opened out of that range. Oh, there it goes.
What the hell? The Discord's bugging now.
All right, I'll take a look. Oh, your Discord's bugging, you said?
Yeah, I don't know why it's not working. Damn it, it's like straight up being a hoe. Okay, I sent it.
Ooh, is that buying and selling? What is the difference between those?
Yeah, exactly. It's all the blues buyers, all the red sellers.
I
Mine's on
remember.
the 5 minutes, so you can see it's like clearly going up.
Yeah. I was gonna say Ray was talking about something like that not long ago.
Yeah, I hooked him up with that a couple weeks ago.
Nice. That's just on Thinkorswim?
Yeah, but I have to send you the link. It's not.
Oh, super secret, huh?
Yeah.
You got that Game Shark, dude. You're
$5.
plugging in cheats and hacks.
I'm kind of hesitant to take any more trades today, honestly.
I just tried to call on the break of that bull flag above 436, but it pushed right back down. I don't know. It tested 436 though. It might move up. We had a break on really high volume, and so I took it. But then we came right back down and stopped me out.
You got stopped out?
Yeah, I just had a tight stop. I took like a $6 loss or something small. I didn't want to gamble too much after a win. I just like that we reclaimed that level and we got a bull flag, and then once we broke out, I was like, all right, I'll take it just for a quick little scalp. But we came right back down. Actually, now we're bouncing. We'll see. Watch it just rip.
Well, I was gonna say if I was gonna take any more, it would be a call right now, just because we found support at that level.
Yeah, we had like a little flag on 5 minute and 2 minute that we broke out of. It's worth a shot. It's not a bad one.
It just fucking rips now.
I mean, it might, dude. It came down and tested 436 again. It's pushing back up. But yeah, I definitely wanted to play it a little bit more cautious with the profit already secured. But yeah, here we are. Also, I got a really dookie fill, so that's not good. I probably could have waited a little bit for maybe the retest or something. That'll probably be it for me, though. I don't think I'm gonna. Oh, look at it go now. Oh my god, look at it go now. Wow, of course. Oh my gosh, dude, no way. No shot. Look at this shit, dude. You can't make it up. Oh my god. Oh, you can't make it up. Damn. What? Oh, I should have had a little bit more conviction, man. I was just playing it safe. I set a tight stop with that. Dude, what is this bullshit? Alright. Now we know.
Now we know.
Yeah, you just gotta reach down, find your nets, and hold the fuck out.
Yeah, that's pretty much what Ray told me yesterday.
Yeah. I mean, it bounced right off 436, so I shouldn't have stopped out there. I just didn't want to give up profits. That was a nice little move, though. I thought we'd get that initially when we broke out with that volume, though. But hey, you live and you learn. Dang, man. Just a few minutes too early. Look at this, though. What the fuck, dude? What is going on? Just immediately erase it with a giant red bar. What is going on? We're in wild times.
I would have definitely held. That would have bit me in the ass.
Yeah, I was looking for a nice scalp, so I was just gonna take profits, but I don't know. I can't say if I would have held through that or not. That's rough. Damn, we came up and... Oh, I missed it again on QQQ. We came up and retested, and look at this rejection we're getting. Holy shit. Jesus. That trend line on QQQ is beautiful. It's been offering some bangers back to back. We just had a double top right there, honestly. We just made a double top on QQQ. Might be some entries to the downside here.
Nice.
All right, boys. I gotta go to work.
All right, take it easy, man. Good shit today.
Yeah, y'all too.
I was fooling around looking for a little call scalp on SPY. Meanwhile, getting the most beautiful rejection on QQQ. What am I doing? I need another monitor or something so I can watch like more than one stock at a time. This shit's biting me.
Yvonne, did you take any trades on SPY?
Yeah, not today. Not today. I'm just waiting to see if there is going to be some. Maybe QQQ can hold at 372 level.
In some puts right now. Bye.
Yeah, but be careful in these levels.
That move on Spy was crazy. Broke out that bull flag and then immediately just said nope. Crazy stuff. Yeah, for sure.
This is good. Yes.
Bro, this market is pissing me off, dude.
What's going on, man?
Hi.
What's going on?
So like we broke under that zone, right? And I went under, and we came back in it. We looked really bullish at 10.25, and so I sold my puts, took a loss.
Yeah,
And
that
QQQ started looking real. Yeah, this is way too volatile, dude. I think I'm just gonna chill. I mean, I took a pretty nice loss, man. I ate away all my winnings from yesterday.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, forget it. I'm about to go on tilt. Forget it.
Don't, dude. Don't do it. It's not worth it. Trust me. If you're on go on tilt, just do it on your paper account. Fucking put $1 million worth of orders in on paper money.
Now we're bouncing up.
Yeah, we had some crazy volatility recently, though. I mean, that's just hard. I got caught in some of that shit too.
I mean, these dojis and then that inverse hammer right here on the 5 minutes and 25. Like, I truly can't figure out what we're doing right now. Like,
I mean, you can never truly understand what the market is doing. You can just have a slight edge, I guess, right?
Yeah. You just gotta place a bet with a higher chance of winning than losing. But yeah, if you're having
Headstones are messing with us, boys.
yeah, if it's not making sense, just stay out of it. It's the best thing to do. Like I saw QQQ reject from a level I had twice. I missed it both times, and trust me, I wanted to FOMO into some shit, but I did not, and I'm glad I didn't.
That's some real discipline right there.
I mean, I did take a little scalp on Spy that ate away a little bit of my profits, but
You kept it short still, right?
yeah. We're still good. It was pretty minimal compared. I didn't risk much.
Are you still looking for more trades? Or are you done?
I'm probably done. The only thing I'm looking at is we formed a double top on Spy, and we're kind of bear flagging on the 2 minute. But I probably won't enter anything realistically. I'll probably just take with what I got.
Oh shit, that is a double top.
Yes, sir. And it's right at that trend line I had. I missed both opportunities to take that rejection. It was fucking
Spy or
textbook.
QQQ?
QQQ, dude. It's like I couldn't have it more perfect. I'm salty that I missed both times. But it is what it is. Like, I'm gonna send you this. This is the, oh shit, what am I doing? I'm just gonna send a screenshot to you. It's that. Why is my computer being so slow right now? That's on the hourly.
I'm thinking,
Look at that rejection on QQQ on the hourly off that trend line. It's like, it's insane. It's too perfect. Tickled it. Form a little double top. Sorry, I'm over it.
I think the biggest problem that I have is that when I'm in the red, I actually find it really hard to sell because I don't want to secure that loss.
Thing, man. I feel that.
You know what I mean?
But yeah, you just gotta, I mean, that's like what happened to me today. I set a tight stop. I got stopped out, and immediately after it went up, and I would have made money. But like, I would rather that than to hold and just blow, you know, like take a huge loss.
But did you close in the red too, though?
No, I didn't close in the red. But what I'm saying is, like, I took a loss on a trade today that immediately turned green right after I sold it. But I had my stop loss and I stuck to it, is what I'm saying. So like, I saw the red and I took it rather than trying to hold on. If I did hold on, it would have worked. But what I'm saying is, like, the opposite is more painful. The opposite, like, if you hold on and it just keeps dumping and you just keep losing, that's the worst.
Yeah, for sure, dude. The market was kind to me yesterday. I held a little bit longer than what I should have. I mean, I ended up still making the money that I wanted to, but yeah, I was it wasn't too kind to me. Or, I mean, it was. I'm sorry, it was very kind to, like, because it came up and then it dropped back down to the support zone I had, because I held it and I thought it was gonna bust right because it came into my support zone real quick. So I thought it was just gonna it was going to just blow right through it, and it quickly rejected off of it. And I'm just sitting there like, I'm on my son's field trip, by the way. And as he's going through the pumpkin patch, looking at pumpkins, I'm over here stressing, dude.
I'm sorry, dude. That's so funny.
In the middle of a dude. In the middle of a hayride, I'm over here like biting my nails.
You're like pretending to take pictures of him, and really you're just looking at charts.
Yeah, straight up, exactly, bro. I'm over here looking at comparing the.
Oh my god.
15 minutes.
Like, it's
like over here.
It's like 60 degrees out and you're sweating. Oh my god, dude! I'm sorry. That just made me laugh so hard.
It was 55 degrees, and I had a beanie on, and I did not need that beanie anymore, dude.
That's funny as hell. You're killing me, man. Oh man. All right, I'm probably out for the day. I'm gonna get to work, but yeah. I wish you all good luck. Josh, take care. Don't.
Thanks.
don't do anything out of spite.
Don't do anything you wouldn't do.
I mean, I do some stupid shit, so I don't know about that, but just I don't know. If you're having a tough day, just step back from the screen. Take like a 15-minute break at
Don't go
least.
on tilt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go walk outside. I don't know. Take a small break and then come back and see how you feel. But
All right, man. Appreciate you.
for sure. All right, take it easy, fellas. Good luck to all you.
Yeah, bye.
All right, you too, man. I'll see you
Later.
tomorrow.